This is over the Pacific at 10 o'clock in the morning today, and I enhanced this image of this thing rising here in the eastern sky. It's rapidly going towards the, let's see if that'd be northeast, like that, across the sky. Here's a still shot of it, enhanced, so you can see the lines and the purple lines here. And it reminds me of this thing I saw last year around March 27th, 2017, from the southern hemisphere. And I just thought I'd point this out, and let's see. Here's a farther out picture of it, so you can see in relation to the mountains. This is a big mountain here, and this is the fisheye lens telescope, all sky lens. And this is the sun. And then here's another picture. Oh, this is just the weather map for today. It's not showing the Pacific very much, but still it gives you an idea of this wild polar vortex that's coming down. And here's what's going on the Pacific side of there's a circular pattern here. Here's another view of it around the Pacific, Central Pacific, and in the Atlantic, this is visible, and there's a striped object here. If you look real close, see a striped object. See it right there? You can actually see the stripes on it. And earlier, let's see, I've got that picture here. Well, before I show you that, here is where the moon is right now. So that thing is not the moon, because it's in the Atlantic. This camera that we're looking at is right here with the yellow moon looking thing. The camera is right here. And a few minutes earlier, it looked like this. And this was in the Atlantic at 10:30. We have the striped object there. See that? There's the striped object again. See, this one's at, let me see what time it was. 11 o'clock. This one's 11 o'clock. Oh, this is a good one. Here, this is 10 o'clock right here. You can see that it's blue, the one with the blue stripe on it. Okay. And this one is at 10:30. Oh, let's see. So this is the same one at 10:30. And this was the wave height chart for the Pacific Ocean. This is over by, I think this is by Japan over here. The wave height is 20 feet here, 10 to 11 feet here. Let's see, a low spot, it's only 2 feet here. So that's a low spot, and then the high spots are here, 16, 15, 10, 12, 20, and on and on. So that's in the Pacific. And this morning I got this from, let's see, where was that? Looking west from the Canary Islands. This is looking west towards the United States and the Pacific Ocean, on the other side of the Pacific Ocean. I just thought that was weird for at 10:55 a.m. in the Canary Islands looking west. For it to have like a sun-like, it's probably a sun, ice crystal halo from another light source in the Pacific. So, still. And there's the other side of it on the north. This is the north view. A few minutes later, it's the south. That's in the south.